students, welcome to this revision material of BTEC End of Term 1 final exam. This exam consists of two questions. The first question is Microsoft Word. We will have a document, Edison International Academy, and you need to perform the following 10 steps on this document. Question number 2 is a Microsoft Excel workbook, and you have a file or a workbook called Holiday 2024. You need to perform the following 17 steps on this workbook. So let's start with question number 1 by opening a file or document named EIA and perform the steps below. So let's open the document. This is the AIA, and then go to questions. Start with question number 1. Insert full page borders for this document. I would recommend that you highlight each question when you answer it, and you go to the question. We need to insert full page borders for this document. We go to design and then page borders, choose box or shadow and press OK. Now we have the page borders for that document. Question number 2. On the header, we talk about header and footer. On the header, add your full name and class name. Place this in the middle of the header. So we go back to the document EIA and go to Insert, Header. In the header, we put the student name. For example, my name is Ismail Najadat, and followed by the class name, for example, 10B1. We need to place this title or header on the center of the header. That's it for the header. And then go back to the question. Now in the footer, add page numbers. Place this page numbering in the middle of the page footer. We go to the exam and again go to Insert, Footer this time. We go to the footer and place the page number. If we add this page number right now, we make it center. That's it, and we don't need this now. So I delete that one. Close the header and footer. Go back to questions. I highlight this, as I made it answer. Add the title Edison International Academy in capitals. I copy this title and see the properties. As a title for the document, font size 20, center this title, make it bold, underlined, and use gray shading color for this title. So I copied the title and go back to the document, add new line here, better 2 lines, and paste the title. We said we put in the middle, make it bold, underline 20, and highlight it with gray color. Okay. So now I shade this with yellow color. Number 4, apply justify paragraph tool on all paragraphs except the title. What is that? We go back to the document and choose the text from the word Albert until the end of the document, like this. And then go to the justify tool and justify the lines like this way. Okay, that's it for this question. I highlight this question and go to question number 5. Convert the policies, 7 policies text into a table with 1 column and 7 rows. Add a new row on the top of that table and cut the subtitle. Our policies, move this to the top row of your table. How do that? We go back to the document EIA and go to the policies here. I choose the policies like that, and then go to Insert, Table, choose the Convert Text to Table, and press OK. Now we have a table. We converted the text into table, but we need the title here. So I come in here and right click insert row above, and I cut this document, I cut this text cut and paste it here. You don't need that empty line, so it looks like that. Okay, go to the questions and highlight this question as it has been answered. Number 6, convert the 11 studied subjects to a bullet list. Change the text color of this list, make it blue. So when we go back to the document and find the subject or 11 subjects, we highlight the list and choose bullet. We convert the text into blue. Okay. Highlight. Sorry. Number 7, change the page layout of the text starting with BTEC until the end of the document by using 2 columns layout with line between. How we do that? Go to the document and I will select the text from BTEC until the end and go to layout, columns, more options, 2 columns with line between. This is very important. I check this option. So I have 2 columns now with a line between them, and that's it for this question. I then highlight this question and move to question 8. Add a watermark to your document by using the photo named logo.jpg with the wash scale 50%. Go back and go to design watermark picture and select that picture that will be given for you in the exam folder. Insert, I choose wash out and then 50%, and that's it. We have watermark that looks like here in the background of the document. I highlight this question and change the line spacing of the document, make it 1.5 lines. Line spacing means, the space between each line. And then I choose the text like this until the end. And from home, I'll select the line spacing and make it 1.5. Now see that the line or the space between the lines now becomes bigger. Highlight. Save the changes of the document and close that document. So I go back to the exam document and choose save from this icon, or go to file and select save and then close the document. Okay.